Hello, welcome to Joycey Home. This is the style I'll be teaching today. This is necklace. I'm going to be using wire for the work. I'm going to be using wire like this. Depends the round neck of your choice. Now we're needing bead for it. This is the bead that we need. I will do the cutter and my round nose. This is my round nose. And in this wire work, this is the pendant there. So depend, like I said, depends the round neck of your choice, how length you want it to be. I'm going to be doing it one by one. Like this one is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is 11. So like I said, depends the size of the neck of your choice. So I'm starting it now. This is the size of the wire I'm using. 0.50 mm. That is the size I'm using. So I'm going to cut wire like this. Take one of the beads. I'm going to be using hand and fold it like this. So it depends how you want it to be. This is 4. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Depends how wide or tiny you want it to be. So I'm doing exactly the one I should. So I made one. Take go to round again. Take your finger again. You can use wire to do any kind of earring, necklace, rings of your choice. I'm still using this particular hand to do that. Put my hand. So after that, make sure the wires are tight. Make sure the wires are tight. After that, you use your hand to arrange it very well. As you can see now, it's very tight, very easy to make. There's nothing too special on it. Just use your wire going from straight like this. Making it like this. I'm using this thing to tying it around. Come out of this side. Stay for a make. I use this finger to do that. You can use this finger, you can use whichever way you want. After that, and arrange it very well so that it will be very okay. See doing that. Use the bead. After that, use your round nose to bend it. Cut it as little. Take your round nose, bend it inside. What's that? Inside. So it will not be choking someone. Make sure you have round nose. When you're doing this work, this is the back, this is the front. So I've done one of it. Like I said, you will use it to do as many as you want. You can use it to do this drop neck. If you want this very long, you can make that. This particular one is like I make it 12 to get my round neck. So you're going to be taking this method, follow this method and make it like this. To how many? I've done one before, so I'm going to show you how to join it. So I've made two like this. That for me to join these two together, to join it like this. Join it like this. Take wire. I'm still using 0.50. Take this round nose, hold it like this. Make round curve like this. Still making round nose. Cut it like this. Now take it straight to this place where to join it like this. Take it like this and face it inside. Take it inside the second one like this. You can take it like this. Use your round nose. Put it inside. Use your round nose to arrange it very well. That is why I say when you are doing wire work, you need a round nose. Very, very important. And after that, you trim this one out. And you use your round nose again to make sure that it enters inside to avoid joking. So I'm done with this particular one. So this is it. This is how you're going to be doing it. Going to do it to the length of your choice. And if you want this better, going to use this hand to do that. So to give it this shape there. So it depends how you want it to be. And this feather is I'm going to be doing the hook. You see, it's more than one bead I put, but in this one is one bead. Put more than one bead, make it like that. So like I said, it's just the choice of the length of the wire work, the length of the necklace you want. And this is how I join it. This is how I join it. You're going to be doing it in that way to the length of your choice. So this is how to make this wire necklace. Thanks for watching. Welcome to Joyce Home. Please subscribe on this channel, like my video, and share my video. After, remember to use hand to dress your work very well. Remember, you can use it to go to church, to work, to anywhere. It's very good. Thank you very much.